Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. A very special welcome back to Cook and Share. Whenever I go to a good restaurant or I stay in a hotel, I always order French onion soup. So I decided to take it upon myself to make it. It turned out absolutely fabulous. You're going to want to do this. Let me show you and let's get started. So to kick things off, what I've got are about 4 or 5 onions that I've just peeled up. And I just cut them in half, and I'm going to slice them up just about like this in about 1/4 inch sections. Now I should mention you can slice these any way you like, whatever your little heart desires. This is just usually the way I do it. Okay, about something like that. Then we'll just pull them apart and put them in a bowl. Now my eyes are watering right now, and I know I said that I'm going to get tons of comments the way you can stop that, but I've tried everything and I just can't seem to stop it. So I'm crying. I'm sorry, guys. Now I've got my pot over medium heat, and I'm going to add in about 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So I'm going to add in, about 6 tablespoons of broth, so about a tablespoon of butter per cup of broth. Alright, now the butter is melted down, I'm going to add the onions in. Give these a little stir up. Now what I'm going to do is reduce the heat to low and let these cook down for about 45 minutes. And the trick to caramelizing onions, as many of you probably know, is low and slow. So just let them cook down and stir them occasionally. After about 45 minutes or so, this is what we should look like, and this is nice and caramelized. And I've set my new smartwatch to 15-minute intervals so I could get up and stir it occasionally. Next up, I'm going to add in 6 cups of beef broth. Now you can use chicken broth too, I just like beef broth. A cup of red wine. Red wine. You don't have to add wine, I just like the taste of the wine in it. A teaspoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and of course some salt. And the salt and pepper, they are just to taste. And you know me, I'm going to put quite a bit of pepper in. 2 cloves of crushed garlic. My good old garlic press here. And last but not least, 3 bay leaves. And I'm going to give this a stir. We'll just bring this to a boil. After a boil, I'm going to slip a lid on, and we'll reduce the heat to low and let this simmer away for about an hour or so until it reduces. Now guys, this is not a quick recipe, but it's a good recipe to do on a Saturday. After about an hour, the French onion soup is beautifully done, and this is what you want. Just look at this, guys. And I've given it the taste test, and it is good. So I'm going to go ahead and ladle this into some ramekins. Oop, just got a little bit over the side there. And you want this about, I'd say 3/4 full. And some slices of French bread that I've toasted up. Just enough so it kind of covers the soup. A couple of slices of Swiss cheese over the top. Now I'm using Swiss, but you can use Gruyere or even the cheese of your choice. Now I'm going to throw this in the oven and broil this for about 5 to 8 minutes, just until the cheese is melted and beautifully brown. After about 8 to 10 minutes on broil, I've left this for 8 to 10 minutes. It's nicely brown and melted, and it's time to dig in. But before I do, I'm just going to garnish this up with a few chopped green onions. Just get that nice green appearance. Alright, let's go ahead and dig in here, guys. Just look at this. bit more soup. Guys, this is so spectacular. The soup is good, those caramelized onions, which I love, and I have them on everything, even hamburgers. The cheese, there's a bit of sweetness due to the red wine and the brown sugar. It is just incredible. You gotta make this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. And remember, if you got some pics to share, I'll put all the links below in the description. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and stay safe.